Hello, and welcome back to Learn Responsive Design on Codecademy. We are in the Sizing Elements section. This is width, minimum, and maximum. And it says, although relative measurements provide consistent layouts across devices of different screen sizes, elements on a website can lose their integrity when they become too small or large. You can limit how wide an element becomes with the following properties. We have min width, ensures a minimum width for an element, and max width, which ensures a maximum width for an element. So we have a P element, paragraph element, and we have a min width of 300 pixels, max width of 600 pixels. In the example above, when the browser is resized, the width of paragraph elements will not fall below 300 pixels, nor will their width exceed 600 pixels. When a browser window is narrowed or widened, text can become either very compressed or very spread out, making it difficult to read. These two properties ensure that content is legible by limiting the minimum and maximum widths. Note, the unit of pixels is used to ensure hard limits on the dimensions of the elements. Instructions. 1. Resize the browser to the right. Notice that the text on the web page can become difficult to read. Let's limit the text width to keep it legible. In style.css, create a CSS rule that sets the minimum width of all paragraphs to 200 pixels and run your code. Now, resize your browser, make it narrower, and notice that the text no longer compresses as much as it did before. So let's get out of here. So let's go into minimum width of our paragraphs. So here, we're going to create a CSS rule for paragraphs that sets their min width to 200 pixels. Let's run this. So we passed that first one. So that was it for this lesson. This was width, minimum, and maximum. So now when we make it narrower, the text isn't so compressed as it was before. And again, this helps out a lot for small screens so that the text doesn't look real compressed. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.